Hey, what's going on, guys? Kid and Bear here. We made it to the Speedway at Bear Ridge. Super looking forward into tonight. I think the track got a little bit of water last night with some rain, but as of right now, it already looks like it's starting to dry out. So pretty interesting. But honestly, it's kind of like normal Bear Ridge where it kind of slickens off. So that's what we're looking for. I love the slick racetracks. It's always fun to run on. So. We're going to be starting, I think, last in our heat race tonight because they're going to be lining it by points. So the further you up are in points or whatever, you start obviously like last or towards the back or whatever. So I think we'll be starting last since we're the points leader, either in heat, I think heat 2, I would assume. So see what we can do. Either probably I would assume top 4 or 5 to the recap or the redraw tonight. So. We just have to get there, but looking forward into tonight. I'm sure we'll be going out for hot laps and hitting the motor pretty shortly here. Just went out for hot laps. Wasn't too bad. Track is still has a lot of moisture in it, but it's starting to peel a little bit. It's starting to slick off a lot more now. So just gonna make some adjustments or whatever for our heat race. If we start, we're in the first heat. Started 7th out of 9, so not too bad. Top 5 to the handicap. So we're gonna. All we need to do is pass 2 cars at least, but hopefully we can do our best. Obviously we're taking 1 race at a time just to get the max points that we can possibly get to this heat race. So typical Bear Ridge, it's tough to pass. It's a tight racetrack, so we're just going to try our best and rolling off P7. So shouldn't be too bad. At least we're starting on the inside. I know that's mainly the preferred line. I tried the top and hot laps a little bit. It just seemed like I had a lot of, it was very marbly, so it didn't really grab you as well. So I think the bottom's gonna be the preferred line for this heat race. But we'll see if we can do top part of the handicap rolling off P7. Alright, just got done with our heat race. There was a pretty decent heat race. Started 7th and I'm getting 4th, so wasn't too bad. I think we were running 5th, and then one of the guys spun out into the infield. I didn't know if it was position or not, but at the end of the race, I seen we got 4th, so that was good. So we got 3 spots in that heat, so not too bad. We got some points gained on me there, but it wasn't too much. So, but it's super important to finish up front. The point difference is very drastic if you don't finish inside the top 3. So it's really important to finish in the top 3 in the heat race and the features. So you know, we just gotta keep digging at it. Just not too bad though. We're still rolling off pretty good. I think we roll off 10th here in our feature, so not too bad. We just lined it off by the handicap, so good thing we made it there. And obviously we're gonna be the last car in the handicap with us being the leader right now. So but honestly, like I said earlier, I think I said earlier in the video anyway, definitely, you know, comes out at the end of the year as a true champion. You know, all the guys that are up front in points, you know, have to start in the back, and we all pretty much start next to each other every night, you know. So you know, we just race to the front, you know what I mean? So it comes down to that, and you know, whoever really, you know, earns the spot. So, but no, I mean, like I said, I mean, I feel really good right now. So I just gotta keep continuing one race at a time here, and we're doing really good so far. So not too bad, you know, to start off tonight from 7th to 4th, but rolling off 10th in the feature. So we'll see what we can do.